In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Today function in Google Sheets. The Today function is one of the simplest and most useful tools for working with dates. It returns the current date based on your spreadsheet's time zone and updates automatically, which makes it perfect for dashboards, schedules, and tracking deadlines. Start by clicking the cell where you want the current date to appear. This is your target cell and it can be anywhere on your sheet. Once you've selected it, type equals today and press enter. You don't need to provide any arguments inside the parentheses. You should immediately see today's date appear in that cell. If you see a number instead of a date, that just means the cell is formatted as a plain number. You can fix that by changing the cell format to date so it displays in a familiar style like month, day, and year. One important thing to understand is that today is a volatile function. That means it updates automatically to the current date every time the spreadsheet recalculates. And in practical terms, you'll see it refresh whenever you open the file or make a change that causes the sheet to recalc. And if you open the spreadsheet tomorrow, the cell with today will show tomorrow's date. This behavior depends on the file's locale and time zone settings, so shared sheets will follow whatever is set for the document. If you need a fixed date that doesn't change, just remember that today is designed to be dynamic and plan accordingly. Now let's use today for deadlines. Suppose you have a due date in cell A1. To find the number of days remaining, enter a formula like A1 today in another cell. The result is a simple day count, positive if the deadline is in the future, 0 if it's today, and negative if the date has passed. If you'd prefer to avoid negative values, you can wrap it with max. For example, max A1 today, 0. So overdue items show 0 instead of a negative number. Format the result as a number to see whole days clearly, and consider adding a label like days remaining so your sheet is easy to read. As a final tip, today returns only the date, not the time. If you ever need both date and time, there's a separate function called now, but for calendars and countdowns, today keeps things clean and consistent. That's all you need to confidently use the today function in Google Sheets.